Don't know they picking or they watch fair. Let me tell you the truth.
So say mama, tell them we stop social distancing, now they keep passing.
So make we all hear take the precautions, take them up. No limba, enough to be mende.
Fambun, Adu and welcome to another edition of the program Le We Tap Corona na Salon. Na Radio Mount Soyel City na Fabe College na Freetown. Join on with the radio station where you listen to so for bring come this program to you. And na Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland. They battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Inside we last edition, we been look at the community care centers and how community leader them for the encourage member them na them community for they visit the various care centers for do voluntary test for the corona sick. Inside today's program, we dey find out waiting at the capacity where the community care center them get for make sure say where people them na the community report for do voluntary test, then self go be ready. Me na una presenter, Lucy Emanet Aliu. Now, let we start the program with some party well body workman them na Freetown for know how people they respond to the COVID-19 voluntary test. Well, me workmate Mohamed Lebi been talk to Dr. Alusain Bangura, where they in charge of the Ginger Hall Community Health Center na Mount Soyel inside Freetown. Dr. Bangura been start for explain the challenges where them they face pan the work.
Well, first of all, the work really hard for we because the way we expect patient them before we need expect them so right now. Because of this particular situation, we all defend ourselves right now. Because the people they afraid for me they can't do the test. They not say if they can't do the test, even if na common sick they get, then people say they go get the sick. So that they prefer take the treatment for themselves na us or neither wrong go to paper doctors. Now that's right now we they facing because we know even as you see we think right now we not get even enough patient them within the door. So now that's right now.
So as a health practitioner, how best now they promote this idea of voluntary test?
Well, as the head of this center, me with me staff, we come together and decide say we permit the medium house on then also the community leaders them because we believe say this sick not to one man fit, na all man fit. So we can go at the medium house so that they can able send this message not only for the community but also for the betterment of the other community them also, so that people them can able go do this test when are free. So now that's right now what they do, so that even the community leaders who we get now like Montreal, for me they able galvanize the youth them so that they can able join hand with we and do this particular message, send them to them.
So since we don't start this sensitization, when they see the willingness for people like people they show up now hospital? Well,
in some extent I can say no, because we know salon people they get this thinking where they can say anything are free, not a better thing. We say these tests are free, so from where we don't pass this message, we don't tell, we need to see people they can do the test. We don't know, maybe they're afraid to say if they can't do the test, even if not so sick, sometimes we claim say they get it sick. So that's all then they're afraid because they can even get one parable where they can say now where you go know say this person get belly, now where you go see the signs and symptoms, because if they not can do tests, you not go know the signs and get sick or you not get sick, so they can prefer left now us when they can do the test.
So how you encourage people for men they can do the test?
Well, we encourage people for men they can do the test, men are not afraid really, because may not even get on their mind say if they can't do this sick, they can't do this test and get this sick, mean that they not go cure themselves. No, the earlier the better, because when you get the sick, as you come quick, we able fit, you can able sustain your life back. Trust me, not of us we get the sick, we die. You need to die. So we encourage all the people that they can do the test when are free.
Health conditions in the world now one of the most difficult thing there will be to say it has for eradicate, especially when it comes to monetary issue. So since we don't start this sensitization within this community, they get help from partners or from government directly or indirectly?
Well, in some extent, we get help from partners, even the government, but not indirect from the government, because the honorables and councillors, then they play their role as a vital leaders in the community, and including also the community leaders, because some community people and even give donor, they can donate some things, and they're able to see how this sector can able fit for the community in betterment, because like the councillor and honorable, then they contribute and give we Veronica buckets and also sanitizer, soap, and megaphone and even come up with a group of youth them so that they can able join hand with some medical doctors them, may they able to and pass on the information us to us. So we done this outcome trial in the community.
And apart from Montreal community, which message you send to Sierra Leoneans at large for make them show up for this voluntary test?
Well, me only message I send to me people living in this country, may they tell them say, may you're not afraid. Make them do the tests any side within the four corner of this country. Make them go and do the tests. Are free. And trust me, even if you get it sick, wrong on any medical center, even at the government hospitals, wrong go there. Where you go, you get more time for make you able to sustain your life back. Because if you run quick, you go take this treatment. Trust me, you dey heal back.
That's now Dr. Alusan Bangura, the head of the Ginger All Community Health Center, na Mount Soyel inside Freetown. We still dey continue. For ye from well body workman them, but how the voluntary test stand like na the different community them. So me other workmate Amidou Kouma been talk to Abubakar Conte, lab technician na the western area.
So like really, the first thing I go for say, people not go for afraid for do COVID-19 test. Why I say people not go for do COVID-19 test? Because if they do test for you, you're not positive, they will let you go again. But like what I will talk again, any symptom we get, because like the COVID-19 symptom then similar like to malaria or typhoid. So like what you go advise people or what you go tell people, if you get any symptom like malaria or another typhoid, because all they carry the same symptom. If you get any symptom of like the weak, they swallow the filler, they hear the turn, small weakness, I go advise you to go hospital. I will go hospital, then go know when and how they go do for you, where they go able to know what is a problem.
So what do you see now the need for many people to volunteer for going to the hospital then for go take this test, for go do this test?
No, well, like as I say, because the test, when you don't do the test, you go know what is your problem now. As I don't give advice, I will say I will give advice to the people again. Anybody will get any kind of different symptom, you advise now for go hospital, then they will be better for you. Like for going to the pharmacy, go the answer they not going to help you. The best thing, if you sick, go hospital, let the master sabi people are able to go try for check you and tell you what is a problem. And that I will say.
So you think say with the need for many people to go to hospital for go take them test there, for go do them test there, it will help for curtail the COVID or the spread of COVID-19?
Then they go better for the people and because and for all. That's it. So because what I say so, if anybody gets different symptom, you go hospital, they able to go to test say neither malaria, typhoid you get, or na this COVID-19 I get, then you go get treatment for that day. Then you continue there with you people, then you after you don't get her, the more you do with the people, the more yourself go spread the sickness to the people. And a part of the people because you interact with other people. So if you don't go interact with other people, you will yourself give the problem to the sickness to other people. So the best thing, you get any symptom, go hospital instant or immediately.
That's not Abubakar Conte. When a well-body workman inside Freetown, from Freetown inside the western area, at the do cross country, for go far na Kailaun inside the eastern region, Usai Momo Obama Sise, where they work na SABC radio na Kailaun, been talked to Max Samba, the head of the district's lab. Momo been first ask him if people can go do the voluntary test for COVID-19.
To be very honest, my brother, from when we don't start this fight, the Kailaun district, ever since from the 4th of April 2020 on to date, to now get nobody to don't come voluntarily say I can do COVID test. Yeah? In the first place, people and they fear and then they shy away because then if you say once they don't mention our name COVID-19, now into different category they go for day now, and they fear for let people name their other wives. So easy. In fact, if I don't say the normal testing self way people and they do not the lab in the area of them clinical testings, and because of this COVID, there has been drastic reduction in the number of people where they can at the hospital self or can do the checkup, more especially to the area of laboratory for can do test. Yeah, now the Kailaun district actually we no start for do we own test yet, even though we don't on the pipeline, we not start for do we own test it for COVID. But for any time when we collect samples, we can always package them. We get what we call a triple packaging system where we don't collect the sample at the field, we package them, then from there we take them, we put them, we cold chain Springboks, and then we take them at Kenema, a viral hemorrhagic lab fever, and then they do all the tests, and then from there, when they don't do the test, send the results to the national send the result to the district medical officer, then the district medical officer now can relate the information to the various quarters we concern at the district.
But now that you don't clearly state and say people know they opt for come voluntarily for can do tests, in terms of your own operation, how una as well they engage the communities?
Yeah, we actually can get mostly we can get radio discussions with people. We can allay them fears that in the first place hospital on the safer side for let somebody come. Let it not be say because the name done this now COVID, people and go shy away from the hospital. Rather, we can give them the confidence say the hospital on the safer side, because once you can we make sure say you observe all the IPC protocols. We go make contract, touch somebody, we go make yourself go with the sickness and us at the end of the day. We take a very good care of you. But actually, since we don't engage the community on radio sensitization, or this is a good number of people like actually come. But what you actually they make people initially shy away. Now like we be say the hospital na Kailan district, so we don't get to your treatment center where somebody contracts a virus, where we confirm positive of coronavirus, we can admit and also na the case management center, they can do this so then they manage then then well. So when the community we don't know say yes there is that treatment center and the hospital, then they shy away, they say they not count, they can't get. But however, we don't allay their fears so many times and the radio they talk to them say yes, come to the hospital and the best side for can get good treatment. Home treatment in the first place now a very dangerous one, because you don't go know the one where they treat you whether you contract, you say where they treat, you don't know whether you self get. So if you cannot the hospital can rule out all the circumstances and give the appropriate advice, my brother.
That's Namak Samba, the lab lead for Kailan District. Still inside Kailan District, Alexander Jamil been talked to Samba More, the Secretary General Consortium for Civil Society Organization them na Kailan. But waiting themselves think about the COVID-19 voluntary test exercise na the country.
We want we get a massive sensitization about and for let the community people they are aware say this get for happen. Let them not take the unawares. If somebody knows say na this get for can happen to her, himself go ready for make himself give himself off for the testing. But if you don't know, you go find out say rumors and go around say they want for can bring this sick by this, but now we get massive sensitization as the case may be.
What are some of the things like the facilities and we within their community care centers way for this so that people then go out volunteer for me they do the testing for COVID-19?
Well, of course, we all know that a critical situation will all depend. Not to everybody go involved. So then therefore get strategic people, the more especially the surveillance wing, we go for these and then facilities them. Where anybody come, then we take his swab and make sure say then put her safe and go test her and later and bring the results come where everybody will be satisfied. That one day we will do another centers then. Because if they're not doing another centers then people then hardly for let them move. Because looking at the economic situation of the country and also looking at the particular season we in a winter season, people don't hardly move because of food, then go for constraint for let them get what for they eat. For say you go move them from the outlets and bring them come far distance for let them can do test, that one day it will be very difficult, it's not possible. But if they do all the facilities, then put them and then health centers and where the people then go they get access to as quickly as possible, I think say the people then go do them.
Yeah, you they continue for say then. What do they mean? Then?
The community people. At least just like I say, Lord gets a massive sensitization, go to them, talk to them, say this thing, not to any other thing we get for come back. But we want to make we ensure say we all safe in the country. And so therefore this test here we want Lord do them voluntarily. It don't mean say when they don't do the test, then we go can say in a COVID-19 you get. No. They want to make sure say no more. If this thing come out of this country, let it come out completely out of the country forever and ever, and that we want for making sure say it happen.
And people they expect more from Una. Which role Una will play for sake of this sensitization?
In fact, now it's very key for let them bring you inside because when we talk, then we listen. So that is the area where they for look, say they for bring you inside, so that we go down to the people them and sensitize them and tell them say yes, then get trust in we because when something happen, they can't we they know what we capable of doing. And so therefore, if we the inside. I think say the people then will accept and see say yes it happen, including we and the medical people together.
Okay, so as you don't move right around the street and then then health facilities or the community health, the community care centers, you don't see them and see what they happen there. What are some of the facilities we go in at the center so that people them go willingly go for medical test themselves for this COVID-19?
Well, for now, it's not there because the surveillance team is only stationed at the district headquarters town where they move around for going and take the swabs. But as this scenario they unfold, it's fine for let the medical people then put everything on deck and make sure say all the health centers, the MCHPs, all they get, make sure say they get a surveillance team inside it. But for now, but as the case may be, where they come up, we go on for making them recruit people and we will actually do the things because this now extraordinary time this way everybody say this kind of pandemic will come away. Now it don't come. And only what thing we have to pull inside now is now when the medical people they don't structure themselves, they put themselves in the very strong readiness so that then will get all the kids that were involved in terms of the testing and then centers and nothing no more we will help with.
So finally, what do you go tell the community people in Kailan districts where they tell me are rich? They will grab willingly for go for testing.
Well, I make just like how you ground this interview with me now. I believe the community people they rely on we, and I make we can go on the radio and talk to them always and every other time for make them see the need. Say this kind of pandemic will don't come. This is not extraordinary time. Let we make sure say waiting the medical people they say now for hadiato. Let we just continue to impress the area of face masks, social distancing, and all for need for observance.
That's not Samba Moye, the Secretary General for the Consortium for Civil Society Organization them na Kailan District. Let we relax and take this music break.
This is so serious, yes. Coronavirus, I know people like we take it serious, yeah. And attend this, so stay conscious. So you left a good to other man, it's not time you for any other man, yeah. I know you left a good to other man, but this not time you for any other man, yeah.
So now with a take time with the people we got fever, people with the cough and with a shiva. Cause this not a time we for stay cautious. Cause Wakumano no but funny no nothing don't sway fever. So come reality, now we one of them. Let them pick you wash and we stop and what's no follow them. Ebola be don't come make corona no more of them. So salute people now we learn and take precautions them.
You got to conscious think about coronavirus. Take precaution left for cut under your eyes. This not sickness we go kill it quick. If you not take them do the right thing you go end up deep. Some people then mona we wake up. This is all the message from the well-body people then. Protect your life, protect your life. Take it so the message we go save your life, yo. Let me hear it what attention. Let me take precaution. Let me hear it what, hear it what. Let me hear it what. Let me take precaution.
If I be no plenty sick way comes into act for go. You the cough fever, you can breathe, oh no. No say coronavirus, no matter who you are. Plenty don't die, you know the people that you want. We all can testify. Save your life from this virus. Save your life from this virus.
So you get to be aware. Don't forget to use your hand sanitizer. Oh, you soap and water. Corona not a joke, no.
Fambulem, me na Dr. Alpha Tijan Wuri, me na the Minister of Health and Sanitation. We see big trouble they happen at the rest of the world, but we're not afraid. We're not afraid because we don't get an exposure before. We don't learn a new victim for them. I have strong belief in the resilience of the people of Sierra Leone. We say they ask of we, and for make we they wash our hands all the time. Because now your hand they bring dirty na your eye, your nose, your mouth, all them open them na your face. And now we say the virus they pass to your body.
We fumble them. My name is Bishop J. Archibald Cole, one of the religious leaders in this country. When I don't hear how this coronavirus they move from about people their life, I they appeal to them. When I listen to government and all the well-body people and when they talk to we, they could follow all the advice and the rules and the regulation so it would better for we all.
Well, Fambu, una welcome back to the second segment of the program, Le We Tap Corona na Salon. Members say, na Radio Mount Royal na Fobe College na Freetown join on with the partner radio station for bring this program to you. And na Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland, they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Inside today's program, we dey talk about the capacity where community care center then get for help the voluntary COVID-19 test na the community them all about the country. Me na una presenter, Lucy Emanet Aliu. Make we listen to this important message.
Lam.
Apprentice 111.
Can make we go quick, but wait oh, where you face mask?
What you ask me for face mask for? I don't understand you. You dey go or you not dey go?
No to plaba me sister.
No.
This na for make we protect one another from the corona sick. More so for place them like this way na public transport.
Who that say so? You preach oh? I think say na by force.
Yes, na by force now me sister. We the apprentice and drivers then don't join hand with the drivers union, NACOVAC and the Well-Body Ministry for help stop corona na we country. Now that make we dey say all passengers then forget face mask before they can inside the motorcar or keke. And back law they say if passenger no wear in face mask inside any public transport, now the driver go pay the fine.
Oh, okay. Now true then, but I no be no. Me face mask dey inside me bag. Make I pull out once and make I wear them because COVID-19 first. Now all man first.
This message will come up from Radio Mount Royal CTN na Fobe College Freetown in collaboration with Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council.
Let me take precaution. Let me hear everyone.
We will continue with the program, and at the Gona Mile 91 inside Tonkolili district, Usai Ibrahim Ekonte, where they work na Radio Baft, been talked to Robert Salia Kamara, the public relations officer for the Tonkolili district COVID-19 emergency response center. But how the active case search Tanek na the district inside this telephone interview.
The test would encourage people for immediately where people begin the active case search where they go on right now in Freetown, where it reach na Tonkolili district, where they encourage people for let them do the test. And as well as even the one that they travel from Tonkolili to Freetown, where they encourage people for do the test so that you go know your status and DCOVAC they monitor that.
So in this process, people they actually go for tests?
Yes. As at the start of the test, about 7 weeks ago, over 1,025 people they don't test them. The number they go up, gradually. So people they go for tests, yes.
So why do you think like people can get the confidence for go for this free test na this care center?
Yes, we get the confidence and we will tell people as well, we give the people the confidence, yes. Let them go for tests. Now only when you go for tests, you don't help for protect your own community, and when you know your status, now you go help for save your community. So we highly encourage people for let them go for this test here.
On the other hand, there are other people who still not believe say COVID-19 is real and it exists na Sierra Leone. On that vein, waiting go be una extra role for play for make people actually get trust in this and continue for go for this COVID-19 tests.
Well, now it make we tell people say the one day we don't believe, we continue for encourage them. You see on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, the team, the social mobilization team, they out there, the medical personnel then they out there now the various places them now Tonkolili district. And we engage the radio stations as well for tell people and say COVID-19 is real and it is. And we not on Colini now, so we don't record 75 cumulative cases then from where the COVID starts. And we don't do over 556 tests then of people then, where from that now only 75 now we get. And currently we get people in treatment center. So COVID-19 is real, and we encourage people then for let them take them preventive measures then very, very seriously. And DCOVAC, they do invest for make sure that the people are well sensitized, and we make sure that we pass the message to whosoever. Recently, we get religious leaders engagement, because now one research that's what we do now the district from where they open the mosques and the churches. Then people then they go worship, but at the end of the day, we need to observe the physical distancing. Now the mosque then people need to wear face masks, and people as well need to wash their hands before they enter now the mosques or use sanitizer. So this we find things come up with that, and we make sure that we call them all in an engagement and tell them, say yes, this and this and this, nine not for do. And when you do the measures then, the penalties and self day. So that engagement they is very much welcoming to them, and they may appreciate that.
That's now about Salia Kamara, the public relations officer for the Tonkolili District COVID-19 Emergency Response Center. While still inside Tonkolili District, Saidu Mahmoud Ba, station manager for Radio Bunkeleke, Sef been talked to Frank Lahai, the community health officer na Yile Community Health Center. Saidu been first ask him if he aware about the voluntary COVID testing exercise.
Yes, of course, aware of that. As far as me na health worker we na Yile ade, through radio and other newspaper we na something like in the form of bulletin we ki come out, and other WhatsApp program then we can go online.
So how you and the other staff na this una well body center don't prepare for facilitate in case we come, we say one for can do this test na this una center?
Initially we as health workers we always stay in readiness for do anything as far as this COVID-19 is concerned, because I think we all the fight against for me done at this way country now. So we already did in the preparedness anytime where we get such a case or we they suspect say such people or somebody get symptoms where we know say na COVID-19. We always already did in readiness for law attend to anybody who will say it will count signs and symptoms for this COVID-19.
Readiness is in twofold. Now, you can get the human area and also the available resources or machinery for carry on with that. Area of the machinery, right, like the equipment, are they fit towards doing this test?
Well, as in the readiness for like the machine for do test, no, that of course we not get the equipment now. But if we get or people come out playing for say they want do voluntary test, we get other experts then or other teams then we invite them for me them come on board and take either the swab or invite the positive voluntary where you go pay nothing. Then we can't take in swab, or if it's possible then go take go with them, then take in swab, then do in test free of cost where you go pay nothing.
Then other people here we go come for can't take this swab or do this test. Then they within Yile or Wusai when they call them from.
Well, they know they within Yile. Now expert then from let me say Masanga, Mabroka, and the other areas the way now the master sabi people then way then they in charge of that.
So how the coordination between Una and them people and they like we go call promptly then respond to una call.
Yes, direct. We can call because we get disease surveillance teams them we will get them contact number then I ask. So if such case come on board, we just go alert them on then different numbers, then we'll call them so then we're available anytime we will get such people now with facility.
Alright, but now sometimes the post will come, you get that work for go do na us. Looking at the time till una go call. So what you feel safe for happen so that una self go able handle lengthening day on automatic or on the spot as person come for test or for able to do an ilea so that it save time, it save resources and other things.
Well, if that be the case, we'll get such people For the time, we will not go one delay the too much. We'll go make arrangement with them and fix a time or a date. We'll go invite the masters, a bit people that way them were able to take them different tests then for make them do the test at the time where they self go want and convenient them.
All right, but now I can see people when they come on a daily basis. They come for different well-body business now in a hospital now. How best they do for disseminate or pass on this kind of message to them for this voluntary test on COVID-19 where governments don't talk about?
Well, we got other partners then who they work with now the facility now like CHW, the youth and the other people then within the community, the youth leader, section chief, they all will disseminate the message through them like CHW, then the community, the various villages then. We can tell them say then to need for help with for spread out the information through them villages then. Because we alone not able to come on waka, but now we own body then we all they work as team. So we disseminate the message through them, then say go tell them people then at the community about this voluntary test. Say it's free. Anytime may them not be afraid, may them come for do the test. The test day for them free.
Okay, so what do you believe on this test? If somebody can test them, what do you believe in them?
Person you well body one, now you get you well body one. And for me you they are safer side. It good for me you can sometimes and do test. You know me say we can do test. Now the sick you get.
That's na Francis Frank Lahai, the community health officer na Yile Community Health Center inside Tonkolili district. From Tonkolili district, at the Wakagona Binkolo community na Safronko Limba chiefdom. Inside Bombali district, for not more, but the facility where them get for people will go one do the voluntary test for the corona sick. For sake of that, journalist Emil Django been talked to Andrew SCC, the community health officer na the Binkolo Community Health Center inside Bombali district.
Yes, of course, we get the capacity because we not qualified trained health staff. We get the skill for cancer patients for do all kinds of tests. As long as we don't check you, because we get the triads place. We don't check you if your temperature high, then you get 1 or 2 signs where related to COVID. Would they cancel you for able go for the test? If you get any fever, especially when they above 38.5, would they isolate you? Then we call na the head office, na primary healthcare or command center, or we call the surveillance. Then we come with the team and pick up the case, or we call 117. Simple ambulance they come and they collect the case. But we get temporarily how they keep the suspected case, because all the health centers then get isolation place we go be make for we, or they keep patients for short time and they will call. Thank God we get all the things for use now. Then don't have to supply with soap and PPE, hand sanitizer, face mask. We get all what it take now for we able handle COVID case.
Let's talk about the facility. How many bed capacity you wanna get for the isolation?
Isolation, then we supply with 2 beds and a 2 bed they all side. This bed they then well prepared, the place clean, so anybody can get the willingness for Lego. They don't na that side because the place clean, so not to any bad place. But moreover, we need thorough counseling. Now only when you able to counsel somebody, the person go see to what you could tell them for. But if you not do proper counseling, they go think a different way. Because say, oh me, I need to go to because then they leave COVID patient there. No, not just good counseling. Person could be the loss then.
A lot talk about the train and qualify medical staff them. You say we not get a capacity there, but how train and qualify them there?
Well, we get CHO 1, then we get 2 CHA, we get midwife 2. They are then well trained qualified them, and we get other lower cadres staff them. The way then say them pass through trainings before they post them here. So Nara make us say I get well trained and qualified staff them for handle any case.
Now you say they belong recently supply on the PPEs, the soap, the gloves. Will they foresee any challenge in future in terms of the material? Then they're enough, or if you say they go serve una for long?
They're enough for now. They want them wouldn't they go serve maybe close to December. Then go serve because if I told we don't know, we'll get a system with the request.
That's na Andrew S. Sise, Community Health Officer na the Binkolo Community Health Center, Safwanko Limba Chiefdom, Bombali District. Make a go na Potloko District, Usai Alaji Sanko, where they work na Radio Banka Soka, been talk to Eric Kamara, the Social Mobilization Officer for the Potloko District Health Management Team.
This is like a voluntary something. We will talk to now fine, and it will fine for let people know their status. If you know say you know get this thing, I believe so you ask a go rest. But if you get them, you know do the test, I believe so you go spread them to your family them and to your community. And I feel say that would be important for you, for the community, and for the government.
Okay, Mr. Kama, you get people and then at them villages, people and then at different community there. They want access to this for let me volunteer for let you go do the test. How side people and they go able to get this? Well, so far so good now. We dip on preparation. Very soon we go start, but we not go just normal at Poloko town. We will go and then small turn them. We test. We not go make that somebody walk and go far. Maybe you go for takes maybe na just few meters. You go for the test. But if you're Yeriam, I believe say, now you also you duty. For me you go take transport in if I want yourself, take the Okada, go and then go test you. Because if you know your status, then there will be a very big problem. So we not go want put burden, but at the same time you get your own responsibility. Your responsibility if you know your status and try to protect yourself, your family and your community. So we urge everybody, when the thing come, let people and come or come out for men and test them. Now just 100 people for the day. We could have between 10 to 14 days. So after somebody they don't test you, how much days will it take for the results come?
Well, for now within 2 to 3 days. And if you become positive self, definitely then go treat you and ensure you well. And not free for say when we become positive, they go quarantine you person them. This one we don't make all plans them. If that happens, I believe say it's necessary because if you don't know your status, this is scatter more. It will be a problem to everybody. So if you become positive, definitely then we'll carry go na lungi for men and treat you so that this thing no will continue for spread in our community and our district.
As somebody they work na DHMT and you na the district social mobilization officer, whose confidence na they give people and for let people and believe say, well, this not a thing with the Kambok person at all.
Well, what we say we don't plan, we all are the DHMT. We they take this test here so. The coordinator na the DICOVAC, Mr. Kanu, inside will take him. The resident minister inside will take him. And we will even try for convince, talk to the head of the police them, men and take him. The LGO men and take him. Even the chief and the township men and take him. And so that nobody go phrase say, hey, now we know they can't test. What about the other people? Now we force them go first test now the DHMT, go to the minister, go to the coordinator, even go to the head of the police them, men self tester because you fine. We know your status, you have to go rest and you go protect yourself. You and the people that are around you.
So what don't they do in terms of the awareness raising?
Well, we don't do a lot since when this thing come. They don't call paramount chief them. Na Priton, na Puloko. We don't go meet them. We go on radio. We talk. We get mobilizer now. Na the DICOVAC now. We get mobilizer CWs, community health workers. Na the health facility them. They all go out. They talk to people them. The awareness is very, very, very high. But the problem normally is for let people take action. Do what they're supposed to do, nothing will be a problem. But we urge everybody, talk to your neighbor, talk to your family, talk to your brother, talk to your friends so that they will try to protect themselves. Because at this time the only weapon we all get now protection.
That's na Eric Kamara, Social Mobilization Officer na the Potloko District Health Management Team. From Potloko, I go round up the program na Kambia. Usai James Sowa been talk to Sister Kadibure, health sister na the Kambia Government Hospital inside Kambia town.
We can encourage them. We tell them say the opportunity come
for let the test dey within Cambia district and then at the hospital. We dey encourage everybody for let the able do that test because some monkey even get the coronavirus but you not aware because they become asymptomatic. That one you get them but you don't know. You know they show no signs and symptoms, but you get the chances for even passer to your family and your community members. So we go encourage everybody for where the test can let them able do the test.
But if you say it really important for in case the test come for let somebody go and that test voluntarily important?
Yes, it's very, very important because that they help you for let you yourself know if you not get the sick. That they self they help you for let you self get well body. Because especially like they want the way they can pregnant so then they go help you for the belly where you get for let you able deliver that you picking there without any sick.
So you say at the moment Cambia district will not get no test side, but it can inside una routine sensitization una can talk to them belle woman and the entire general public working Canada hospital.
Yes, of course, even during we radio panel discussions we can discuss and say we not get the test. But in case the possibility dey for we able to detect any case within the hospital where we need for even send the specimen na Freetown, we can take her, let her go do the test. We hope say where the test can Cambia district, everybody go do and voluntarily for let we know we status there.
As a district you happen to be the district health sister one, as a district government hospital and as a district as whole, it's over a month now where Cambia district not get no COVID-19 cases they meet. Which is responsible for that?
A lot we don't do like Kanoma we they talk to people there because Cambia district now one of the districts and where they get boku crossing points there. We make sure say we alone not go able to fetch the case. We able do a lot of trainings for community people there where like the CAW there, we put a lot of IPC in place. Then we make sure say the chief then each chiefdom they're able to strengthen your chiefdoms then that anyone will come out where like Guinea they can inside there for aware and make sure say no sick person therefore report her immediately and anybody will sick within the community therefore report her immediately so that action will be taken and we all for be watchdogs and we houses and we communities for report any case. That alone we they do and we they make sure say with a lot of sensitization man look aware and we they enforce the hand washing and the face mask so that people then they go the user and that social distances during meetings, during gatherings and so on. Then they all we don't see say na in help for let we able reduce the coronavirus inside Cambia district.
That's na Sister Kadibure, the health sister one na the Cambia government hospital. Well, now so we end the program where we call Le We Tap Corona na Salon. Members say na Radio Mount Royal City and Afrobe College na Freetown join on with in partner radio station where you dey listen to so for bring come this program to you. And na Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Until we meet again for our next edition, let we all volunteer for take the corona test for tap the corona sick na we community them. Plenty thank you to the production team. Mary Jane Alpha na the assistant producer, Emmanuel Nyake Momo na the producer, Musa Bai Sise na the senior producer, and James Tambalebi na the executive producer. Me now na presenter Lucy Imanes Aliu. So till next time, tata.
I got this message for you. Corona, now they picking all they watch first. Let me tell you the truth. true.
Social distancing, all the